Hey, it's JC here at JC's Comics and More, your pop culture superstore at 6725 West Central Avenue. That is Toledo, Ohio, 436-17419-531-6097. Instagram, JC's Comics and More, www.jcscomicsandmore.com, and JC's Comics and More at hotmail.com. We got the Black Canary statues that we're checking, the Bombshells they're doing. I'd like to try to do a recolorization of these statues and put them back out. I think this thing is 125, if I remember correctly. We'll see how this looks. Of course, she always looks the bomb. Of course, everybody I'm sure knows the blonde Bombshell. Okay. Got the base. This is number 834 of 5,000. Got this nice base here. Nice heavy base. Got a nameplate. It has a battery. Or excuse me, has a magnet. And it just plops down there. Pull her out. She's got those gold high heels on, looking all smoking hot. She also has real fishnets. Look at that. As Van Halen says, talking about going all the way up the back of her legs. Got tattoos, and she's just smoking in that dress. Put her on there, and of course we cannot forget her left arm with the mic stand. Okay. And that's got a magnet as well. There she is. Smoking hot. Okay, let's check the next one and make sure it looks nice also. Put this back away. Okay. Okay. Alright. I'm just going to have to set this one aside because I didn't pay enough attention when I pulled her out to see exactly how it fits. And I don't want to waste valuable time looking at that. Okay. This is video 602, where 600 was my special video for 600 was talking about local comic shop day, as we are the only one in the area that's doing anything with local comic shop day. Okay. There we go. Now that I can compare the two, let me go ahead and put this one away. Alright, let's check, see how this one is. This is number 784. I've got to shoot some pictures for the shop's website, or the shop's Facebook page, so... let's put these away once we get done with this video here. Again, there she is. Got the arm there, and there's Miss Canary. Let's move on to the Batman the Red Death. This is next to last. I think there's the only one left to come out with is the Batman Who Laughs with the, it says with the Robin minions, but they're not. They're crows. It should just say, it comes with the crows. And this is the lowest number. This is 749 of 5,000. Okay. Okay. Wow. Don't like how these bats were packaged in there. It was not packaged very well to take care of them. Little bats. Again, 749 of 5,000. Very nice. That there. Check some of the detail on the back there. Look at that. Some of the damage. Some of the damage he had done to himself. Okay. Let's see the box here. See, they really don't show you how the bats on the back go in. So you have one more here. Okay, let's see if we can find where the hole that you stick this in. Aha. Is that it? No. Not it. Okay. Let me pull him off his base. Pull this piece off. So you've got this here, but it's not really showing. Not really showing where you insert this. Okay, we're going to move on to the next one just to check and see how the next one is. Put my glasses back on as I'm trying to really eyeball this thing. Okay. This is number 995 of 5,000. These are in here a little bit better. $9.95 of 5,000. See how the Red Death Batman looks. Okay, he looks pretty killer. And again, it's not overly obvious where this one goes. Okay. I'm making this really pain in the red death, all right. Because it almost looks like it should go right around here. But there seems to be no hole that you insert this into. Okay, well, I am going to move on to the next one. And I guess what I'll have to end up doing is, if I figure this out when I do my unboxing videos for the comics, I'll have to I'll show you guys at that point. This is number 3230, so this is the worst number of them all. I don't want to waste a lot of time just sitting here. You guys are watching and nothing's going on. All right. And the bats all look good. 3230, and of course let you guys know that we're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. Really want to hit that 1,000 mark, so be sure, if you do like these videos, be sure to subscribe, be sure to hit the bell and hit the bell for notifications. Put him on here. This fits in there okay. It's just the other one that's kind of not sure where exactly it goes. But again, if you do like these videos, as always, like I said, subscribe, hit the bell for notification, and be sure to share. Other than that, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks again.